Welcome to Learn HTML Lesson 1. We're going to show you how to create a document from, almost from scratch. For the sake of time, we're going to go and we are going to use a document that I've already started on. Now, as you can see from my startup menu, I have used WordPad and Notepad++. I'm sorry, make that Notepad and Notepad++ recently. I prefer Notepad++. As it is completely free. Free is good. And you can get it at download.com. And it does what Notepad does, but it also gives you the numbering system here on the side and a gutter, which are important as you learn programming. So let's start with the very beginning. I'm really going to skip over the document type for right now, but suffice it to say that the World Wide Web Consortium would like us all to have a document type definition in our documents, and this one is good. You can use this, and it's will get your document on the web and tell the browsers and the search engines how to look at and interpret your document. Now let's get to the meat of it. HTML, that stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the opening tag for our document. Now tags come in pairs. You'll see down here on the bottom I have HTML, but it has the backslash right after the less than sign. That tells the browser to turn off the interpretation. Maybe that's a good way to put it that's easily understandable. But for lesson 1, understand everything that we're going to learn in the immediate is going to be in tag pairs, primarily when it comes to coding your document. The next tag pair goes in between the HTML is the head tag pair. Head here with the backslash, which turns it off. And this includes the content that goes up in the heading where you don't see it on the web, but the search engines use it, the browsers use it, and it tells us what to do with the document. Now, not in tag pairs are the meta tags. This is a meta tag, this is a meta tag, and this is a meta tag. You don't need these in your first script. We're going to go over them in great detail in a later lesson, but this one right here tells us that our content type is text and HTML in an English character set. This you should include in all of your documents. Obviously, if you're using a different character set or need a different rendering, you can do that, but for now this is English. After that comes the one thing in the heading of a document that is in a tag pair, and that's the title. The title is important. As you can see, I've been working on this document, but I'm going to change that. Right now it says another Hello World document. Let me get rid of that. Just to show you what kind of control you have over your documents. And our document is a Hello World, which is standard in programming as your first of anything in learning a language. After your head tags, here, you will have your body tags. In between the body tags is what people actually see on the web. Everything that you see on the web comes between these two tags. Our document's only going to say Hello World. Our title is only going to say Hello World. So we're going to type what we see in this document here. We're going to save it as Hello World.html. Now, obviously, I had it saved before, so it put the name in there for me. You'll have to name it. And you might also want to just save this to your desktop so it's easy to find. But go ahead and save that. Of course, I want to overwrite it because I've worked with this on several occasions. Now, you want to go to your browser and get it started, and then you want to navigate to where this document is. You go to File, then Open, and then Browse. Mine's taking me to my videos. I'm saving mine in a folder called Website. Oops, sorry, one below that. And I'm opening that. And this is what we typed. Hello World is in the body, and that's seen between here and here. And Hello World in the title, that's seen at the top, which is called the title bar. Now, if you're using Notepad++ as I am, you can simply go to Run, launch Internet Explorer, and do the exact same thing we just did. But let's look at the control we have over our documents. We're going to go back. We're going to type we're not going to type that at all. We're going to type another Hello World. And down here, we're going to type this is my first web page, period. And then we're going to save it. We're going to look at it again in the browser. And you can see our document has changed. At the top on the title bar and in the body section. Now that's going to do it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to be talking about gaining more control of the body portion of your document. Thanks for watching.